Hello. Welcome to the show where we make learning as fun as a Bollywood blockbuster. Hello, my future IAS and IPS officers. Have you ever wondered what's going on inside a little baby's head? Think of the mind as a seed that grows into a thinking tree. This journey was studied by Jean Piaget, the director of the Mind movie. He gave us a simple roadmap. 4 stages every child passes through. Piaget showed children are active builders, little scientists experimenting with the world. Learning by doing, like jumping into a pool, not just reading about swimming. Put on your thinking caps. Let's dive in. Meet Chintu the squirrel. He starts by nibbling a nut. Then he hides it, remembers where, and plans to protect it. Building knowledge. That, in a nutshell, is cognitive development. For UPSC, remember these stages like the hook step of a hit song. Cartoon mascots will dance through each stage with Bollywood beats. So, ready to dance through Piaget? Let the music play, and let's begin. Chapter: The Sensorimotor Stage, Birth to 2 years. Stage 1, Babies learning through senses and actions. Let's explore examples, starting with object permanence. Sensorimotor. Infants learn through sight, sound, touch, taste, and movement. A baby grabs a rattle, shakes it, puts it in the mouth. A tiny experiment. They're like little detectives. Key concept: object permanence. Things continue to exist when out of sight. Young babies think out of sight equals sign gone, but by around 8-9 months that changes. Peekaboo delight, a major brain leap. Meet Apu the baby elephant. Teacher shows a banana, then hides it. At first he cries. Later he giggles and walks around to find it. Object permanence. He has used memory and motor skills to solve the problem. They touch, taste, fall, get up. Each action builds understanding. Every action builds their mental model, block by block. It's like watching a flower bloom, slowly beautiful. Mnemonic. Think Lakdi ki Kaathi. Action and movement. Running, jumping, exploring, the pure physical world. A wooden horse or box becomes real through action. Remember, sensorimotor equals sign senses plus action. Make a short note for UPSC answers. Summary. Birth, 2 years. Experiments with the world, object permanence, motor learning. Next stop, the magical world of imagination. Preoperational stage, stay tuned. Bollywood beats incoming. Preoperational stage, ages 2 to 7. The magical kingdom of toddlers and preschoolers. Language explodes. Imagination runs wild. Children act like the main character in their own movie. Key idea: egocentrism. They see the world from their viewpoint only. Kitty covers her eyes. She truly believes you can't see her either. Perspective taking is limited at this stage. Animism. Children give feelings to toys. The table is sad. Symbolic play. A banana is a phone. A box becomes a race car. This symbolic world builds the basis for language and creativity. A big limitation. Conservation. Quantity appears to change with appearance. 2 identical glasses have the same juice. Pour one into a tall, thin glass. A preoperational child will say the tall one has more, fooled by appearance. Song mnemonic, Chota Bacha. Don't underestimate child thinking. They are confident, imaginative, often illogical. And that's normal. Symbols become words, the starting point for reading and writing. For UPSC answers, explain limits, egocentrism, animism, lack of conservation. Preoperational children, little people with big imaginations. Next, logic begins to sharpen. Concrete operational up next. Keep that mnemonic and move on to logic. Concrete operational stage, ages 7 to 11. The fog lifts, logic shines. Children become more logical and organized, but tied to concrete, visible things. They reason about things they can touch and see. Now they understand conservation. Mental reversal is possible.
They can say, it's the same amount, you just poured it into another glass.
It's a brain level up. Seriation, ordering objects by length or weight. Transitivity, if A, B and B, C, then A, C, even without direct comparison. Egocentrism decreases. They start to see other viewpoints. They can play games with rules, cooperate, and follow systems like school. They begin to empathize, able to imagine how another feels. This is the age of structure, rules, cause and effect. In our cartoon class, Manku the monkey arranges sticks quickly. He can now understand Kitty would be upset if he took her pencil. This decentering builds teamwork and empathy. Song mnemonic, Papa Kehte Hain. Hopes tied to education and achievement. They think about school, grades, and future goals. Concrete thinking prepares the child for structured learning and social rules. Next, becoming a superstar thinker. Formal operational stage. Formal operational, from about 11 onwards. Abstract, hypothetical, scientific thinking. This is Piaget's highest stage. The mind can fly into the abstract. Concrete chains break. Ideas, not just objects, now matter. You can think about justice, infinity, morality, love, without direct experience. You imagine possibilities, what if, and test scenarios in your mind. This is hypothetico-deductive reasoning, thinking like a scientist. Form a hypothesis, then test possibilities systematically. They won't mix randomly. They control variables and reason methodically. Record, compare, conclude. As a future administrator, this thinking is your secret key for policy design. Use it to design education programs, child welfare plans, and public health interventions. Know how a 7-year-old differs from a 14-year-old? That's policy gold. Manku the monkey is now a teenager, debating fair banana distribution. They use abstract thought to analyze social problems and imagine solutions. This is the same power you'll use in UPSC. Analyze, hypothesize, plan. Song for this stage, Apna time ayega. Believe in your potential. Think big. Use abstract thought to change destiny. Think critically, form hypotheses, and conquer the syllabus. Your time has come. Study smart. Lead with empathy. Apna time ayega.